Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a software, a tool, a powerful platform that can really change the game. And obviously, if you're interested in finding out the right principle and the strategy that you could implement, you're in the right place, guys, because we're talking about SMSbump.com, the SMS platform that gets results and drives more revenue and sales with powerful SMS campaigns and automation, guys. And obviously reach shoppers everywhere and benefit from the unmatched open rate of SMS at 99% and get a click-through rate of 35% and drive engagement and conversion with personalized mobile-first shopping experiences and maximize success with the advanced automation and targeted SMS campaigns at 25%. And obviously one of the major things is that it's available on Shopify, Shopify Plus, and BigCommerce. And one of the big thing over here is that powerful yet simple all-in-one SMS platform. You can meet the evolving needs of today's mobile shoppers and text customers like you know them, and use that data-rich segmentation to offer engaging and personalized experiences, spark meaningful relationships with high-converting text messages shoppers want to read, and set your text marketing on autopilot and send the right message at the right time, and enable custom-built SMS flows and automation optimized for maximum engagement and results, and build your list at scale, guys. Give mobile shoppers a seamless opt-in experience that will get them to convert, and leverage multiple subscription methods to maximize results, guys, because SMSbump.com is trusted by 90,000 plus brands worldwide. All you need to do is click on features to check out how amazing this platform truly is. And one of the things that I personally love about SMS Bump is the fact that you can drive so many sales to your stores with their powerful SMS marketing platform and a best-in-the-class features, and approach shoppers in moments that matter the most with targeted SMS campaigns and automation, guys. And obviously, once you combine all those elements together to text each customers like you know them, you can send campaigns that convert with advanced personalization features such as A/B testing and a built-in event calendar with top-performing SMS templates, and an industry-leading SMS flow builder that uses triggered messages for every step of the customer's journey. Choose from a library of 40 plus SMS flows and tailor them to fit your brand's voice, guys. And with a robust segmentation engine, you can build narrow consumer segments with 40 plus data points to target shoppers based on the demographics, product preferences, and buying behavior. And a one-to-one conversion. Use the in-app SMS chat to interact with shoppers in real time and integrate with your help desk to streamline support and boost customer engagement, and turn every shopper into an SMS subscriber, guys, by engaging with your audience on their favorite channels and turning them into dedicated subscribers with their easy to use, full and fully customizable tools. You got the on-site sign-up experiences, you got the multi-channel collections, you got the dual SMS and email opt-in tools, and a compliance-first approach as well, guys. And you can even track and optimize every engagement to get a complete visibility into your SMS marketing and see the numbers that matter the most, guys. And a downloadable reports for a bird's eye view as well, and track the performance of each SMS with the integrated with your favorite tools, guys. And an SMS marketing platform e-commerce brands can rely on with unmatchable deliverability and international texting, compliance protection, quick onboarding, 24/7 support, and a seamless integration. And that is the reason I always recommend individuals to check out SMSbump.com. If you want to check the pricing, just click on the pricing and you'll be able to see that you got 4 different methodologies available. The first one is free with everything that you need to build a powerful new revenue channel with the SMS marketing. There's no time limit and there's no credit card required. For $0 per month, you get so much, guys. And after that, you can always upgrade for the growth to grow your SMS program for $19 per month. And you can find new brands that want to start driving fast revenues with SMS. You get unlimited free opt-in keywords, unlimited A and B testing, and a time zone based messages, and a business name as senders. For a Prime, you can go for $59 per month, and for a Powerhouse, you can go for $199 per month. And obviously, one of the things that I personally feel with their emails is the fact that you can get 10,000 emails completely free, and with the messaging prices, you can clearly see for the free, it is 0.0165 cents per SMS, and a growth for 0.0149 cents per SMS, and a powerhouse at 0.0130 cents per SMS. And that is how the whole system tends to work. Now, if you look at the platform, you can easily connect it to Shopify as well, because effective SMS marketing for Shopify store is available that drives more revenue and sales with the #1 sales that's trusted by 90,000 businesses worldwide. You can create unbeatable SMS experiences with today's mobile shoppers, guys, and send the right message at the right time and make money while you sleep, guys. And you can launch SMS campaigns that sell, and you can always take matters to the next level with precision, segmentation, and targeting, and obviously connect with your favorite Shopify apps to unlock even more features, guys. And that is the reason I say build an engaged SMS audience in no time, and meet subscribers where they are, and offer personalized on-brand experiences and analytics that you can trust, and get a complete visibility into the SMS performance with the actionable insights. Monitor relevant metrics such as revenue, return on interest, orders, calls, and also subscribers growth to optimize your SMS campaigns automation and flows on the spot, meaning track every step of your success and define winning strategies with real-time downloadable reports and advanced SMS attribution logic, and spark a two-way conversation with the SMS chat, meaning offer stellar customer support and manage all the replies in one place. And it's very simple and straightforward to do. All you need to do is click on get started, and it will take you to the next place. Choose the platform that you want and follow the instructions. But before you do that, guys, one of the best places to check out is BigCommerce. With effective SMS marketing, you can easily take matters to the next level with the autopilot, which gives these shoppers a peace of mind and drives sales while you sleep, guys. And you can launch SMS campaigns that truly convert and keep your brand on the top of the mind and drive more sales to your store with engaging SMS campaigns, from flash sales to product drops to end of season clearance, and grab shoppers' attention with the appealing images or interactive GIFs, and embed personalized discounts to further boost conversion, guys. And one of the things that I always love is the fact with the flawless segmentation, you can build narrow custom segments with 20+ data point based on demographics, product preferences, and shopping behavior, and target specific shoppers with offers that actually care about, and send relevant product recommendations to boost conversions and sales, guys. And build your SMS audience in a few simple steps, and capture the site traffic with engaging pop-ups, floating buttons, or embedded forms, and use actionable keywords for various cross-channel campaigns. And all the tools come with stunning templates that can be customized to reflect your brand's personality for higher conversion. And a bonus, guys, is a built-in verbiage that will make you sure you always remain in compliance. And obviously, guys, once you've done it, you get a reliability analytics at your fingertips. You can track the performance of each SMS and downloadable reports as well for a bird's-eye views, guys. So guys, if you want to gauge your business to the next level, smsbump.com is the way to do it. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and to guide you and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.